everyone, my name is Bachan and I am the founder of the Psychological Support and Guidance Enterprise. I also represent numerous associations and organizations including the Student Psychology Association, the Peer Counseling Association, Psychi International Honor Society in Psychology, the Youth Visionaries of Trinidad and Tobago, the Trinidad and Tobago Youth Advocacy Network, the Institute of the Gender and Development Studies, and much more. I have a burning passion to help those that are suffering with psychological issues and be an advocate for mental health. I truly believe that mental illness does not need to be physically seen to understand that it is a psychological wound amongst us. So today I'm going to be sharing a few tips that might help you to cope better during the COVID-19 pandemic. So some of the things that you could try could be exercising, probably doing yoga, probably doing your facials and sparring, ladies. You could even try painting, singing, even just taking a walk outside and enjoying the beauty of nature. If you have any plants around in your backyard or in your porch, and you could also play with your pets if you have any at all. Those are some good ways to de-stress, as things could be very overwhelming at this time during the COVID-19 pandemic, and it's just a good coping mechanism that you could probably venture into. So if you haven't thought of it, you could always try some of these tips. Also, it is so important that we stay connected virtually, because if we continue to isolate ourselves, we might tend to feel lonely and depressed, and then we might have thoughts of suicidal ideation. So it is important that we stay connected but continue to physically distance. So I really hope that some of these coping mechanisms help you today, and remember that what works for one person might not work for everybody else. So these are just some tips that you can try, but if it isn't working for you, don't force yourself. Find what works for you, and that will actually help the process of coping much easier for you. So remember, your mental health is very crucial. It is so vital for life and survival at this time, and you should never ever take it for granted. So be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we're going to get through this. This too shall pass. Remember as well that you're strong and that you're amazing. So continue to keep safe, everybody, and take care.